If you have finished previous steps, let's continue. Delete this, labels. We go to C-planes, and then we find 3 points to adjust the plane. This one. Set C-plane by 3 points. Go to our top view, and then we can set it. Cool. And now we can add the other surface. This one, add it. Go to standard, add the surface. We can explode them. Let me add the other surface. Then we go back to the front view. Cool. And then we use offset curve line. In the edit curve options, offset curve, through point. Repeat the same command. And then we can choose adjustable blend curve. This one, adjustable curve blend. Select the line. We can adjust positions. And we choose trim and join. Cool. And another one. We can trim these lines first. Repeat the same command. Adjustable curve blend. Same, trim, join, click OK. And then we can split different layers of the surface. Split. Then we put this surface into another layer. Plus, I just change the surface color. This blue. Change object layer. So now I'm going to create a Windows frame. Find extrude curve, normal to surface. This command. Select it. Select the edge of the windows. And read your command bar. Select base surface. This one. We can extrude our window frame now. Press enter. We can put our window back to the framing position. Cool, we get our window. Let me show all the objects. Let us review what we learned. First, we learned how to set our C-plane, the working plane. Use 3 points to control the C-plane, and then we use the offset curve. This one to get the curve line, and then we give it a adjustable blend curve. And then we use split. This one to get different surface, and then we use extrude curve from normal. This command. Practice, guys, and then we continue the next steps. Let us go back to the renders. And we will eliminate these windows and do a new one. And you can see there are some lures. Let's see how can we do it. First, add object again. And then we can go to the top view. Use rounded rectangle to draw a lure frame. And then we need to draw another line. Go to the perspective view, use Gumbo to drag it up. Then we use a real long curve command, this one. Select object, select the extrusion surface, and then we press enter and select our path curve. Have a look here, comment bar. We may want to get 5. Let me do it again. And I will make it smaller first. We use array along curve again. And I input in. Then we use this surface to trim our lower surface. And then we show all of objects. There's this one. Now we have finished our building. I will explain how to do this skylights in the Grasshopper class. There are some logic. For example, the higher position skylight is smaller, and the lower skylight is bigger. Thank you for watching, guys.